So I'm going to show you on the Olives and Applesauce baby carrier how the side buckle can be adjusted on both sides. So here I'm going to do the front carry. So there are two different adjustments on this side buckle here for the shoulder strap. So I'm going to loosen the bottom one and tighten the top one. I'm going to put the shoulder strap on. I'm going to do the same with the other one. I'm going to loosen the bottom one all the way and tighten the top one. Now, I'm going to need to tighten my straps, and it's a little awkward to tighten it upwards, which is why I loosened the bottom one. So all I have to do is just tug the bottom, and it tightens. And again over here on the side, and it tightens. And it gets it nice and snug, and again, this is a little awkward to go upward, so I really like that it has that option. And now I'm going to show you on the back carry why this is so awesome, why I like this. So I'm going to flip her around to my back, and I'm going to stay out. I am going to loosen my top buckle here and tighten my bottom buckle. So I'm loosening the top buckle and tightening the bottom. Tightening the bottom and loosening the top. Now I'm going to switch my carrier around here. And I'm going to swing my baby to my back. Okay, so now I've got my baby on my back, and I need to tighten my buckles here. So I'm going to pull on that buckle, on that strap here, and so I'm pulling it upward. So if I was doing this one, her leg isn't, there we go. So if I was pulling on this one, I could do it, but it would be a little awkward. This is much easier for me to pull and to get it nice and secure and snug. And that is why I really like this double buckle here on the Olives and Applesauce baby carrier, because it allows me to comfortably and securely fasten my buckles no matter if my baby's on my front or on my back.